Hello, my name is Christina Natke, and this is my mini ethnography report for our ESL 6350 class. For this report, I still changed the names of the interviewee and his mother. I interviewed Alex, who is in the 3rd grade Montessori program at my school. He is of Mexican American heritage, and he is in the ESL program at school. I also interviewed his mother via Class Dojo so it could translate for me, and she is from Mexico. Alex has many interests and school favorites. Like many boys his age, he likes reading, recess, music, art, and gym. He also says he likes all school subjects and he's eager to learn and participate in them. He really wants to please his teachers and his parents. Now I'm going to discuss the perspective of his mother, Anna. Anna wants her children to do well in school. She has 2 school-age children currently. Her family is from the Veracruz and Oaxaca regions of Mexico. Usually she visits her family around this time of year, but she cannot this year due to COVID. She's hoping that she will be able to visit her family in the near future if there is a vaccine. She feels that it is important to show her children Mexican cultural traditions, such as dances and songs from the regions that their family is from. This is a picture of some traditional dances from Veracruz that I found online. I think it's very beautiful that the women have full pleated skirts, and it looks like some kind of decoration in the front. The men are all wearing this white patterned of outfit, and they have matching hats and neck scarves. Here's a picture of where Alex's family is from. This region of Mexico is close to the tail end of Mexico, and is a bit far from Mexico City. Veracruz is pictured here, so in relation to the other location, I have trouble pronouncing it, sorry. They're not too terribly far apart. Anna is very involved in her children's education. She understands the importance of a good education, and she wants her children to do well. During this time, I've been teaching my specialty music online, and she is always eager to reach out to make sure that her children completed the assignment that I asked them to do, and if there's anything wrong with the videos that they send, she makes sure to tell me and ask how to have them resubmit. Alex is an eager student who enjoys learning, and he is very happy if what we're talking or learning about relates to Mexico or Mexican culture. Finally, I'd like to draw some connections with what we've learned in this course and the process of interviewing. Nieto says that schools need to build on, rather than tear down, what students bring to school. They need to understand and incorporate cultural, linguistic, and experiential differences into the learning processes. I think this is a really important statement because some schools do not have a good system of incorporating other students' cultures into the learning, and if your student body is not the same culture as what a majority of the school is, they can really feel left out, and we as teachers should really strive to make everyone feel included, because numerous studies have shown that when students feel loved and included in the classroom and they know that their teachers care about them, that they are more likely to perform better in school, and they need that connection, knowing that teachers feel for them. Using what I learned from my interviews, I now know that I can incorporate more Mexican culture and songs into my curriculum to keep and maintain student interest. And if we ever get back into some kind of in-person learning, I'd be really interested to know if there are any specific songs or dances that the children are taught by their parents or maybe grandparents that they could show the class and then feel a connection there. Alex is also from what is known as an additive bilingual home, where Spanish is spoken and used after children learn English. So Alex speaks English in the classroom at school, but I also know he speaks Spanish with his friends, and I would assume he speaks most Spanish at home. Finally, I'd like to reference the Google Images that I used in this presentation and our text on language, culture, and teaching critical perspectives. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you later.